Alright, in previous video we've taken a look at what frames are. And the next thing actually in the code is actually resizing the frame. So the resize step is about, well, 5% it seems. We need to have another frame. So this is just one big frame. If you want a new one, to the right you do Super O and you have this new thing. Switching between them, Alt Tab. We have now the right frame active. We need to put something there, and if we do, we can actually go from the one and the other. So switch from frame 1 to frame 2. Now if I want to give the right, for instance, more focus, more bigger, then I'm gonna go for, most oftenly I'm gonna go for the keys, because that's more understandable for me. A super control to the left is going to work for me like so. An H will work as well, and an L will work as well, and there's the J and the K if we have something at the top of it. So this are things we can do with a Super O. No, let's take a U. We have another one at the bottom. Alt Tab again. Oh, my screen keys are not on, too bad. So, and there we go. So we do an Alt Tab, and with Alt Tab we just can move about in frames. When I do, for instance, here, that kind of thing, we can see what happens if we have 3 of them. We can also see what happens if we press a super space. So we can see if things change. At this point, you don't see anything because there's nothing to change. In the sense, if we do here a Control Alt T, in this particular frame, frames are just like this. I'm going through different layouts in one particular frame. So, okay, that's another thing you should remember. Let's do one more and kill this guy. We're talking about this resize step. So what if we have 3 of them, 3 frames, 1, 2, 3, and you see it because of the line, it's the border line that we've extra now. We go for mod control up and down. What am I pressing here? So super control and then arrows. That's the arrows. This one is not working. Top, up and down is not working, but that's because I am focusing on the other one. I need to focus on that one, and then I can make it up and down. It's also very tricky. You see, even I have to think again, why is nothing moving? Because we were on the left side. On the left side there was nothing to resize up and down. There was nothing there. There's just one thing. If I do a super U, that's it, yeah. I was to think a little bit. What was it again? No, I don't need it here. I need it here and here. And now we can actually resize again with this keyboard shortcut. What was it again? So you see, I don't really use these guys. Super control arrow up, and we get this, well, asynchronized, atypical kind of layout that's usable any way you see fit. You see? So all these things are possible. Whether you're going to use it as something else, like I said, not using these kind of things, but it's possible. So frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, you can change frames, resizing of the frames. That's possible, not of the windows. All right, I hope that's clear. It takes some practice, even for me. Like I said, not really using it. Super R, a very interesting button here, going to delete a frame, but keep the application and put it in the other frame. So that's good. Let's do another super R, another frame killed, another frame killed, all the applications in just one frame. That's the look I'm going for, just one frame without all these lines. All right, that's the resizing of the frames explained in a video.